Today we have our joint open house where all 3 of our ACE centers come together and we get an opportunity to meet prospective students and students that are applying this year. Families can come out, they can meet the teachers, our students that are currently in our program. So if, for example, you're a student who's interested in automotive or maybe auto body or maybe diesel mechanics, we have all of our teachers here and you can talk to all of them, you can see what their programs are like. So our students that come to ACE come to us as juniors and seniors. They are a member of their homeschool community in the sense where they take their math, science, English, and social studies for the most part at their homeschool. Any dances or sports or clubs are all done at their homeschool. They start their day at the homeschool, get on the bus, come over to whichever ACE center they're supposed to be at. They leave at the end of the day, catch their bus or their ride from their homeschool, or they can go to their clubs or their sports. You get an opportunity to be part of your homeschool community, but you also get the unique opportunity to come together with students from 9 high schools around the county. They all are together, they make a big family, they work together. It's an amazing opportunity for students that wouldn't otherwise get the chance to meet, to collaborate, to build their own community, to come together and create that.